Hello everyone, and this is the solutions to test 2 listening. So we are now on page, I'll tell you in a minute exactly, on page 62. Okay, so ready? Okay, training. Sorry, I have to wear my specs these days. All right then, so 1 was cream, 2 chips, 3 toast, 4 picnics, 5 sugar, and 6 omelette. All right then. Okay, then exercise 2, the answer was B. Exercise 3, 1B, 2A, 3A, 5B, 6A, 7A, and 8C. Exercise 4. 1, cross. 2, tick. 3, tick. 4, tick. 5, tick. 6, cross. 7, cross. 7 tick, 8 tick, 9 tick, 10 tick, 11 tick, 12 cross, 13 tick, 14 tick, 15 tick, 16 tick, 17 cross. Okay? Exercise 5, the answer was A. Exercise 6. 1D, 2E, 3A, 4C. Okay. Then the exercise number 7. Okay. You could either use not after the auxiliary or just use the shortened form. Okay. I don't think I need to do this because I think you're quite up to it. All right then. And exercise number 8 was 1B, 2C, 3A, 4B, and 5A. Okay? Remember that before doing the test in your book, you should underline the keywords in the sentence, identify who each question is about. Look at all the pictures and say what they see in English, and finally always choose an answer even if you aren't sure. Okay, and so the exam practice was 1C, 2C, 3A, 4A, and 5B. Okay, then, all right then. Part 2, listening. Okay, we have exercise number 1. There were some possible answers there. So wild animals could be bear, elephant, lion, tiger, and camel. Pets, cat, fish, dog, rabbit. And farm animals, sheep. Remember that sheep has got no plural, 1 sheep, 2 sheep. Chicken, okay, cow, or horse. Okay, exercise number 2. 1, grey. Grey has got 2 spellings, G-R-E-Y or G-I-A-Y. They're both correct. G-R-E-Y is English, G-R-A-Y is American, but they're absolutely correct, both of them. Okay, then 2 was carrots, 3 box, and 4 rabbit. Okay, then exercise number 3 was 1 terrible, 2 kind, 3 strange, 4 boring, 5 amazing, and 6 brave. Brave is a false friend, non significa bravo, but courageous, coraggioso. Okay, exercise number 4, 3:30, 10, and 10:15. okay? When you have timetables, that's how you pronounce times. Exam practice. 6, tiger. 7, 10:45 or 7:45, but if it's a time, you know that with trains and the timetables, you should be using 10, 10, you know, using the two numbers. Then 8 was Sohatu, and it was spelled Sohatu. Number 9 was 37, and number 10 was poster, sorry, was singular. And then part 3, okay, you have number 1, there's snow. Number 2, it's foggy. Number 3, it's sunny. Number 4, it's cloudy. Number 5, there's a thunderstorm. A thunderstorm è un temporale con anche i tuoni, okay? Otherwise, it's a storm. And 6, there's rain. Exercise number 3. Oh, sorry, exercise 2 was, the answer was C, and in exercise 3, it was 1 tick, 2 cross, 3 cross, 4 tick, 5 cross, 6 tick, 7 tick, 8 tick, 9 cross, 10 tick, 11 tick, 12 tick, 13 cross, 14 tick, and 15 cross. Okay, I have to give you a short explanation here about the use of interested and interesting, bored, and boring. Ok, some adjectives that come from verbs, che vengono dai verbi, possono avere due forme. Una forma che finisce per ed e una forma che finisce per ing. Ok, so what's the difference? The difference is that ed is la persona che è interessata, quella che noi usiamo col participio passato, interessato, ok? The one with ing is interessante, è il participio presente, ok? Perciò interesting è una cosa che mi interessa e di conseguenza io sono interessato, ok? Don't confuse them. Ok. Then, exercise number 4, you had 1 cross, 2 tick, 3 cross, 4 cross, 5 tick, 6 tick, 7 tick, and 8 cross. Finally, the exam practice. 11C, 12B, 13B, 14A, and 15B. Finally, listening part 4, you have 1, playing, 2, meeting, 3, staying, 4, seeing, and 5, visiting. Exercise 2, the answer was B. Exercise 4, the answer was B. Exercise 5, the answer was C. Exercise 6, the answer was C again. Exam practice. 16B, 17A, 18C, 19C, and 20B. Okay, then part 5. Okay, we have training. We had a few words here, so I'll just check some. Acting, you have act, costumes, concert, a play or theatre. Playing the piano, you have keyboard, music and piano. Sailing, you have lake, sail and boat. Sail sono le vele. Painting, you have brush, colors, artists and paints. Cooking, cooker sono i fornelli, non dimentichiamoci che cooker non è la cuoco, il cuoco sono i fornelli. Cuoco si dice cook. And bake vuol dire cuocere al forno. Okay, then. Number 2 was drawing, acting, and sailing. Number 3, you had possible answers here and was drawing, pencils, color, picture, and artist. Number 2, plays, costumes, and plays again. And number 3, boats, sea, and water. Exercise 4, you had 1, visited different countries. 2, funny films. 3, he's good at baking. 4, plays in a band. And 5, takes lots of pictures. Okay, the exam practice was 21B, 22E, 23G, 24A, and 25F. Okay? Right, and then we get to the speaking, okay? For those of you who have actually booked a lesson online with me, remember that you have to check the speaking parts before we start so that I can actually check that you actually can do them. All right? Okay, so for the training you had, for instance, at 1, I usually spend my free time at home. 2, I usually spend my free time with my friends, or I have a lot of free time at the weekend. Exercise 3 was 1A and 2 what? Exercise 4, it was 2, the number. Exercise 5, can you say that again, please, or I'm sorry. What did you say? Okay then, all right then. So, then you had the speaking part number 2, right? And you have training. One was exciting. Again, the difference between exciting and excited. Exciting, una cosa che gli piace. Excited, io sono contento. Popular, dangerous, and boring. Number 2 was 2 questions and yes. 3 was Carlos said why and Monica said why not. And then you had again the exam practice, okay, which we will do online. I think that's the end, and I'll get back to you with test number 3, reading and writing, at the end of the week, so please start doing it. Also the listening part and the speaking. Okay, then I'm now waiting to see you online and see your lovely faces. And